भारत का तो विजन है विकास भी विरासत भी.
In a historic moment during India's first ever hosting of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee 46th session in Delhi, PM Narendra Modi on 21st July delivered a stirring keynote speech and announced the return of over 350 ancient treasures to India, symbolizing global respect for cultural heritage. Rising above geopolitical divisions, PM Modi called for international unity in recognizing heritage as a shared consciousness of humanity. The 10-day World Heritage Committee meeting, attended by more than 2,000 participants from 150 countries, will discuss topics such as new nominations for cultural treasures and methods for international collaboration on conservation projects. Furthermore, PM Modi announced a substantial donation of $1 million to the UNESCO World Heritage Center. In his address, PM Modi underscored the importance of India's legacy, citing examples such as the 2,000-year-old rust-resistant iron pillar in Delhi and the challenging infrastructure of Kedarnath Temple. PM Modi also emphasized how India's legacy combines science and history, highlighting examples such as the historic locations like Lothal and Dholavira in Gujarat, which showcase ancient engineering marvels. He highlighted India's nomination of Maidam in Northeast India, the region's first as India's 43rd World Heritage Site. Praising the country's rich historical tapestry, PM Modi emphasized on India's unwavering dedication to heritage and progress, encapsulated by the catchphrase Vikas Bhi, Virasat Bhi, before a global gathering of luminaries, including Audrey Azoulay, the Director General of UNESCO.
बीते 10 वर्षों में भारत ने एक और आधुनिक विकास के नए आयाम छुए हैं, वहीं विरासत पर गर्व का संकल्प भी लिया है. हमने विरासत के संरक्षण के लिए अभूतपूर्व कदम उठाए हैं. काशी में विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर हो, अयोध्या में राम मंदिर का निर्माण हो, प्राचीन नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय का आधुनिक कैंपस बनाना हो, देश के कोने कोने में ऐसे अनेकों काम हो रहे हैं. विरासत को लेकर भारत के इस संकल्प में पूरी मानवता की सेवा का भाव जुड़ा है.
Significantly, India also announced a substantial donation of $1 million to the UNESCO World Heritage Center, which will support conservation initiatives, capacity building, and technological support, particularly focusing on countries in the Global South. Additionally, he emphasized India's commitment to promoting global well-being through its cultural heritage and fostering closer ties between nations. While India invited delegations from across the countries to visit India's iconic sites and participate in discussions shaping the global effort to protect and promote heritage, PM Modi gave a vision for heritage that extends beyond preservation to include developing employment, enhancing tourism, and promoting global welfare, calling for worldwide collaboration to promote cultural diversity and foster understanding between nations. The Prime Minister's passionate plea during the WHC session resonated powerfully with the worldwide audience, reaffirming India's commitment to preserving humanity's common legacy and leveraging it for a prosperous future.